In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use bulk actions on contacts in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Click Contacts in the left sidebar to navigate to your contacts dashboard. Now, use filters to narrow down the contacts you want to edit. Select Tags as your field. Set the condition to In. Choose the tag you're looking for, in this case, June 2026 leads, then click Add and apply filters to pull up that specific group. Click the Master checkbox at the top left of the list to select all visible contacts, or check the boxes next to individual contacts if you only need a few. Notice the bulk action toolbar that appears at the bottom of your screen. It shows you exactly how many contacts you've selected. From this toolbar, you can bulk message or email everyone you've selected. Click More to edit tags, download your selection as a CSV, or delete them all at once. You can also perform bulk actions on conversations. Head over to the unified inbox and select the contacts you want to work with, either through filters or manually like we're doing here, picking any 3 conversations. Once selected, you'll see bulk action tools appear above the conversation list. Use these to close conversations, assign them to a team member, move them to spam, send bulk texts, or edit tags. Here, we'll assign all 3 to ourselves, Rosalia Hamilton, then clear the selection. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.